MSC is launching a new onboard messaging and notification system that creates targeted messages to promote the services MSC offers on board. Strapi is the technology implemented and serves as the primary interface designed for the Multimedia Manager. I'll show you two real use cases: creation of an individual notification and a segment notification. From this interface, the Multimedia Manager can send individual notifications. Among the mandatory fields, particular attention should be paid to message category and message type, which are also used for tracking purposes on Matimo. Specifically, for messages with a commercial purpose, the commercial type must be selected. This ensures the message is only sent to users who have explicitly agreed to receive marketing communications in compliance with the user preferences set in the mobile app. Start and end dates define when the message should be delivered and when it will expire from the guest inbox. An image feature is also available, allowing personalization by including an image from the asset library. Messages can be delivered via passenger ID for one or more passengers or cabin ID for one or more cabins. The message can also be saved to be sent later. Segmentation involves creating targeted audiences with shared characteristics to deliver personalized messages. Segmentation can be based on both the characteristics and behavior of guests on board. As a multimedia manager, the first step is to create a specific audience segment using the segment feature that enables targeting guests based on their behavior, such as onboard purchases or personal information. The segmentation logic determines the inclusion or exclusion of guests within the segment based on three main clustering areas: whether they have already booked or purchased a specific service within the available onboard departments, spa and wellness, beverage, attractions, excursions, restaurant, and internet. Include or exclude based on customer personal information such as age group, gender, Voyager Club status, and so on. Include or exclude based on cruise-related details such as room type, purchased experience, payment method, and so on. Let's assume, for example, that the Multimedia Manager wants to target guests who have not already booked an excursion. First, choose the shore excursion component to segment the customer base based on available criteria. The first step is to define whether to include or exclude those who have already booked a shore excursion. Additionally, the Multimedia Manager can leverage other fields to further refine segmentation, such as the treatment category. During the creation of the notification, the Multimedia Manager will fill in the appropriate call to action to allow users to land on the shore excursion promotional page. The Translate button enables automatic translation of messages dispatched on board. This feature supports translations into multiple languages depending on those managed on the ship. The translation feature ensures that guests receive the message in their preferred language, as set in the mobile app, with English as the default language in case their preference is not set. Guests receive the message in their preferred language, as set in the mobile app. Guests receive the push notification which contains a deep link. When they tap it, they are directly redirected to the booking or purchasing page of the service. Guests can also go back to the inbox and check the notification from there, tapping on the CTA and landing on the booking or purchasing page of the service. Guests can change notification consent from the settings page under Marketing Communications. Here, guests can disable or enable general marketing consent or commercial consent. Matimo tracks the performance of notifications and allows three main analysis categories. 1. Message ID-based analysis based on the performance of individual messages. 2. Message type category-based analysis based on message type or category characteristics. 3. Customer segment-based analysis based on customer behavior. When searching for notifications sent based on message ID, the histogram shows Audience shows the guests targeted for the campaign based on specific characteristics, considering only guests logged into the app and present on board. Delivered, guests to whom the message was delivered after checking the audience based on commercial consent. Opened, guests who interacted with and opened the notification in the app or with the app running in the background. Clicked, guests who clicked on the link at the bottom of the notification that leads to the booking funnel. Conversion, all guests who, through the link, booked or purchased the service advertised in the notification.